So with this correlation and the significant difference, with the correlation graph, scatter graph, you can see that the majority of the people on the team are at 0. So this means that they didn't score any 3-pointers. But the two that did, one was George, who is this top one up here, and this is Tabby down here. So there is a slight positive correlation, but it's not that much. And this is shown by the p-value down here and the r-value. So the r-value was 0.55 and the p-value was 0.052. So for it to be a significant, like, positive correlation, so it shows that there is a correlation between them, so height and 3-pointers scored, it would be below 0.05. And as you can see, this one has just missed that. So it is not significant enough, but it does still show a slight positive correlation. Moving on to the significant difference one, as you can see here, the live game is the green one, and the video one is the red one. So as you can see here, the green one spikes a lot from player 1, 3 to 2. So 2 obviously scored 5, and that one would have been George, and the ones below 0. So it does show a difference between defensive rebounds between the games. So as you can see down here though, the mean was minus 0.08 and the p-value was 0.877. So there's not a significant difference at all because it is not below 0.05. So there is not a difference between defensive rebounds in the first game and defensive rebounds in the second game.